How's it going? Just thought I'd do a bit of a clip showing everyone what we do with the veggies and bits and pieces we pick from the backyard. So tonight we're doing a vegetable stir fry, and we've only got a couple of ring-ins. The only ring-ins we've got is the halloumi cheese, some filleted breast fillets, some capsicum and asparagus. All that there is not ours. The zucchini is ours. There's kale, mango leaves, a couple of different types of basil and snow peas in there. Beans, got nearly half a kilo of beans today, about a pound of beans. 2 lonely okra, a whole heap of halved tomatoes, some of Muggsy Jeff's Chinese red shallot greens, and some of our garlic. So, and some orange chilli for Bianca and I to garnish ours with. So, I've got a mouse pinching the tomatoes here. But anyway, so what I'll do is we do them in 2 batches, one lot for the kids and one lot for us, just because the wok doesn't get hot enough. So I'll fry up the kids, then I'll do ours and I'll show you what they look like. Rightio, we're just starting out now. We've already cooked the girls up. So just frying off our bits of chicken. We've just got some chicken breast that we filleted down further. So we'll do these guys first. And into here, I'm just going to add straight away our garlic. There's in there, we've got about a dessert spoon of butter and some rice bran oil to try and stop it from browning too much. So throw our fresh garlic in there. The zucchini. Looks like it's caramelising a bit, but that's no biggie. And what I'm going to do is just break up some of these larger chunks because I didn't chop them small enough. Give these guys a bit of a stir around. Garlic and buttery goodness. So I think that's just about enough. Ready for our asparagus, the beans, and our capsicum. Give our chicken a bit of a flip. Won't be too long before that's done. And I think we'll add the halloumi cheese at the same time. Some of this is for Bianca's lunch tomorrow at work as well, so. So these guys are going off nicely. We'll just fry them off for a little bit longer. Right, so I'm just going to add the okra now. And just flip everything over here. The cheese. Cheese doesn't take too long, and if you haven't tried fried halloumi cheese, I definitely recommend it. It's a Lebanese cheese, I think. Lebanese or Greek? You know?
I can't remember.
Can't remember. So it's a really nice cheese. It fries up, as you can see. As you can see, it stays nice and solid. It doesn't melt. Bits of chook, another flip. Just a quick stir, and add our snow peas, kale, mango and basil, along with our tomatoes and our chopped shallot greens. That's pretty much all it is for the veggies. Rightio, I'll just plate some of this up now and give you a look at it. There you go. Stir-fried veggie, halloumi and chicken. Extremely healthy meal, I think. What do you think?
I want to stop recording so I can eat.
Cool. Well, you take this and eat. Well, that's pretty much all it, so I'm going to chow down on this. Take it easy and have a great one. Catch ya. I had rabbit ears before. Want to have a look?